thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 8 miles northeast of Montgomery, Oregon, 9 miles northwest of Willis, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. The National Weather Service in League City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Montgomery County in southeastern Texas, west central San Jacinto County in southeastern Texas, southeastern Walker County in southeastern Texas, until 10:45 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 10:11 a.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over New Waverly, Oregon, 7 miles north of Willis, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include New Waverly, Cold Spring, Huntsville State Park, Oakhurst, and Evergreen. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 3 p.m. Central Standard Time for southeastern Texas. The tornado warning for east central Grimes, northwestern Montgomery, and south central Walker counties will expire at